Hello everyone, the dictation will start in 5 seconds. The first element of the strategy is to extend the green revolution to the region of the country, comprising Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Eastern UP, West Bengal, and Odisha, with the active involvement of Gram Sabhas and the farming families. For the year 2010-11, I propose to provide rupees 400 crore for this initiative. In this 60th year of the Republic, it is proposed to organize 60,000 pulses and oilseed villages in the rain-fed areas during 2010-11 and provide an integrated intervention for water harvesting, watershed management, and soil health to enhance the productivity of dry land farming areas. I propose to provide rupees 300 crore for this purpose. This initiative will be an internal part of the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. The gains already made in the green revolution areas have to be sustained through conservation farming, which involves concurrent attention to soil health, water conservation, and preservation of biodiversity. I propose an allocation of rupees 200 crore for launching this climate new agriculture initiative. The second element of the strategy relates to reduction of significant wastages in storage as well as in preparation of existing food supply chains in the country. This needs to be addressed. As the Prime Minister has said recently, we need greater competition and therefore need to take a firm view on opening up of retail trade. It will help in bringing down the considerable difference between the farm gate prices, wholesale prices, and retail prices. There is wastage of grain procured for buffer stocks and public distribution system due to acute shortage of storage capacity in the Food Corporation of India. This deficit in the storage capacity is met through an ongoing scheme for private sector participation where the FCI has been hiring godowns from the private parties for a guaranteed period of 5 years. This period is now being extended to 7 years. The third element of strategy relates to improving the availability of credit to farmers. I am happy to inform the honorable members that banks have been consistently meeting the target set for agriculture credit flow in the past few years. For the year 2010-11, the target has been raised to rupees 4 lakh crore from 3 lakh crore in the year as such. In the last budget, I had provided an additional 1% interest subvention as an incentive to those farmers who repay their short-term crop loans as per the schedule. I propose to raise this subvention for 2010-11. Thus, the effective rate of interest for such farmers will now be 5% per annum. Necessary provision in the budget has been made. The fourth element of the strategy aims at lending further impetus to development of food processing sectors.